बहुत सारी जगह घूमनी है, अभी हमारे पास बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं है, तो जल्दी चलो। Hello everyone, I hope you all are fit and fine. So this week is officially last week of autumn, and guess what? Today we are going to visit Gatineau Conservation Park. Well, this park is in Quebec province and this is so close to Ottawa. Well, we have already seen fall colors and you have already seen my previous vlog. If you have missed it, then please make sure to watch it. Gatineau Park is famous to see fall colors, and there are so many things to do like camping, and there are cabins where people go and stay there, and there are a lot of trails where you can go and see so many beautiful lookout points. So let's see how much we can do today. We are going to visit it today to experience our last week of autumn, as I have already seen in the news that there are few parts in Canada where snowfall has already started. So but today weather is pretty good, it's 15 degrees, so I hope we are gonna enjoy it, and I'm taking you all along with me so that you all can see how the park is. So let's go. Let's quickly cover a few important things. Number 1, access to this park is totally free, but you have to pay if you are availing any outdoor activities like camping, canoeing. Number 2, you can reach this place by your own car and rental cabs, and avoid bus service that is available from Ottawa and Gatineau. Number 3, autumn is the best season to visit this place, and try to come during weekdays so that you won't be having any issue finding parking space. If you're planning to visit Gatineau Park, then make sure to check their website for park timings and visitor information, because it changes according to the season.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling but there's something.
So we reached at the first point, Mackenzie King Estate.
मैं राइट की तरफ जाना है, फिर वहाँ से घूमकर फिर हमें लेफ्ट जाना है.
We have to go here ना? M? हाँ, तुम मैप का फोटो ले लो, that is better.
Both let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me.
So guys, this place is a historical site which was created by Canada's 10th and longest serving Prime Minister William Lyon Mackenzie King. And you might find it interesting to know that the stones you are seeing right now are the pieces of structures like the Parliament building that burned down in 1916. And all these structures are known as Abbey ruins. And from the moment we have entered this estate, it really felt like we have been taken back to the early 19th century. Place is amazing, and thank God we came here, and this place is heaven for all the photographers. हम सिर्फ एक ही place पे आए हैं अभी तक. We have just covered one lookout point and we are just amazed with the beauty of this park. This is बहुत सारी जगह घूमनी है, अभी हमारे पास बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं है, तो जल्दी चलो. ऐसे लग रहा है कि लाइक वी आर इन अ जंगल. इतनी प्यारी प्यारी जगह है यहाँ पे. आई डोंट थिंक सो वी कैन कवर दिस प्लेस इन अ वन डे, क्योंकि बहुत बड़ी बड़ी ट्रेल्स हैं. अभी तक हम फर्स्ट स्पॉट पे ही हैं. वी फाउंड अ ब्यूटीफुल स्पॉट. जस्ट लुक एट दिस. So guys, this place is located in the heart of Gatineau Park, and we really had an amazing time by just chilling and enjoying the nature. So make sure to visit Mackenzie King Estate whenever you are coming to Gatineau Park. So this is the only cafe which is available here, and that too with limited options. So make sure to have a good meal before coming here. Or so we came to the first place. There is this little cafe. So we got this veg burger. Actually, we also don't know kya hai. They just said that it's veg.
Made of red rice, beans and water chestnut. उनकी पैटी है.
Okay, और कुछ भी taste नहीं आ रहा है. And guess what? ये कितने का है? Like it cost around $27 for these two burgers. So expensive here. Let's check out another beautiful place in this park, and that is Pink Lake. Despite having the name Pink, the lake is actually green. It is named after the Pink family who settled the land in 1826. This trail is a 2.3 kilometer loop around the lake, which has several set of stairs and multiple lookout points that provides a unique view of the lake. So guys, let's move on to the last lookout point, ATN Brewel. Me and Harsh had an epic time here by just sitting and watching this stunning sunset. It was just a perfect way to end our day. We were only able to cover 3 main points in this park because this park is so huge. I don't think so anyone can see all the attractions in just a day. That gives us a reason to come back here again. And let me know in the comment section which viewpoint you like the most. I hope I was able to capture the beauty of this park. So we are at this last viewpoint and we are enjoying this sunset, beautiful sunset. So I hope you have all enjoyed this video of Gatineau Park with us. Also guys, you guys come and see my video and don't subscribe. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will notified about the upcoming videos. I will see you all in the next vlog. Till then, take care, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye.